Today I'll be making pickled watermelon rind. こんにちは、I'm Nami from Just One Cookbook. Don't throw away watermelon rind and let me show you how to make Japanese pickles with it. Please like and subscribe to my channel for new video updates. Now let's get started.
First, in a resealable plastic bag, combine 4 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of roasted sesame oil, and 4 tablespoons of sugar. Mix well to dissolve the sugar. Set aside. Next, cut each watermelon slice into 1-inch sticks. Cut off and discard the tough green skin from the white part of the rind. Then, slice the white watermelon rind into a uniform size and shape for optimal pickling. Finally, add the rind slices to the resealable plastic bag with the pickling solution. Rub through the sealed bag to distribute the pickling solution into the rind slices. Seal the bag and let them pickle in the refrigerator for at least 12 hours or overnight. To serve, remove the pickled watermelon rind from the pickling solution and transfer it to a serving bowl. Serve it as a side dish to complement rice, a barbecue, or a savory dish. It also makes for a great snack with beer or cocktails. Enjoy this refreshing side dish.
If you are looking for different Japanese pickles, here's another recipe to try. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. またね!